Hello, welcome to My Life is Mathalan channel. Today we will discuss about three problems on JEE models. Let's do the problems. It is a fifth problem. A is equal to A comma B C D. It is a matrix. For matrix, only eligible elements 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These 5 elements only eligible. And the matrix satisfy characteristic equation A square minus 4A plus 3A is equal to 0. So it is a characteristic equation. Sum of diagonal elements is equal to A plus D is equal to 4. And AD minus BC is equal to 3. If two conditions satisfy, the matrices will be formed. So total number of matrices they are asking. A value, I will take A is equal to 0. So D is equal to 4. A plus 0 plus 4, 4. Okay. Now, next second condition, AD minus BC. So 0 minus BC is equal to 3. 0 minus BC means it is a negative value. Negative value never all are positive. So not possible. So no solutions. No values satisfied. Next, A is equal to 1. D is equal to 3. So AD minus BC. AD means 3 minus B is 3. So BC is equal to 0. The BC is equal to 0 cases. I will take the B0, C0 and B0, C1. Like this, I will take 4 members. 4 numbers I will take like this way. Here 4 chances. Now B1, C0. Here like this way, every number 4 chances. So 4 chances. Total 4 plus 4 plus 1. Total 9 chances here there. So 9 ways the matrix will be formed. A is equal to 1. Now A is equal to 2. D is equal to also 2 because A plus D is equal to 4. So AD minus BC. 4 minus BC is equal to 3. There is equal to BC is equal to 1. The BC is equal to 1. There is only one chance. B is 1. B is equal to 1. C is equal to 1. So it is one way. Here 9 ways. Here one way. Here one way. Next, A is equal to 3. D is equal to 1. So AD means 3 minus BC is equal to 3. So BC is equal to 0. So BC is equal to 0, 9 ways. Next, A is equal to 4. D is equal to 0. So 0 minus BC is equal to 3. So it is negative. There is no possibility. Total number of ways. Here 9, here 9. 18 plus 1, 19. The total number of ways to form a matrix is 19. Option 4 is the right answer. It is a sixth problem. Here, given that A is equal to matrices of 1, 1, 2, minus 2, 0, 1, 1, 3, 5. It is given matrices. So mod A is equal to 1 into 0 minus 3 minus 1 into 10 minus 11 plus 1 2 into minus 6. There is equal to minus 3 plus 11 minus 12. There is equal to minus 4. So mod A is equal to minus 4. Next, we need the value adjacent of 2 of adjacent A whole inverse. We need this one. So I will fill M is equal to 2 of adjacent A. 2 of adjacent A. M is equal to. So I will find this value. Adjacent A. So adjacent 2 of adjacent whole inverse. Sorry. Adjacent A is equal to mod A into A inverse. So adjacent to A whole inverse is equal to 1 by mod A because it is a constant value. The constant inverse means 1 by 4. A inverse of whole inverse. This is A. So there is equal to A value A and mod A means 4 minus 4. Now we need the M value 2 into adjacent. So M is equal to 2 into adjacent of A whole inverse is equal to, so 2A by minus 4, there is equal to A by minus 2. It is mod M is equal to minus 1 by 2 whole cube into mod A. There is equal to minus 1 by 8. Mod A means minus 4. Minus 4 by minus 1 minus 8. There is equal to 1 by 2. Mod M value. Next, we need the value adjacent of M. M means 2 adjacent inverse. We need this value. So there is equal to formula. It is the m power, this matrix n is equal to 3. M power n minus 2 means 3 minus 2 1. M power 1 into mod M. There is equal to M value. There is equal to M value minus A by 2 and mod M value 1 by 2. 1 by 2. There is equal to minus A by 4. It is given, but we need the value sum of the whole expression variables. So sum of adjacent of 2 into adjacent A whole inverse is equal to minus 1 by 4 into sum of elements of A. There is equal to minus 1 by 4 whole into sum of the elements. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 2, 4. 4 first row, minus 1, next third 9 plus 9 is equal to 12, minus 12 by 4. There is equal to minus 3. So the answer is minus 3. Fourth option is right answer.
Next, seventh problem. Here, the first term of AP of a 30 non-negative terms is 10 by 3. So given that A is equal to 10 by 3. And if the sum of the AP is cube of its terms, means S30 is equal to n by 2, 30 by 2, 2A means 2A plus 2090 and T30 is equal to A plus 2090. So let T30, this is a M I take. This is M. So I will modify as a S30. S30 is equal to 15 into A plus 2090. So there is equal to 15 into A plus M. A value is 10 by 3. So submit the A value 15 into 10 by 3 plus M. The given relation S30 is equal to T30 whole cube. It is given relation. So S30 value 15 into 10, 150 by 3, 50 plus 15M. S30 value is equal to T30 value 10 by 3 plus, it is a M. Sorry, 15M here. It is M cube. So M cube minus 15M plus minus 50. Here, don't try to find the factorization method, factors. I will say the one rule. 50 write as a product of primes. The product of primes of product 50, 2 into 5 into 5. So check the 2 value, plus 2 minus 2 value. If I check the 2 value, 2 cube 8 and minus 30 minus 50, not possible. minus 2 value also, minus 8 plus 30 minus 50, so not possible. Again next check the 5 value. 5 cube 125 minus 75 minus 50, 125 minus 125, so there is equal to 0. So here m value, m is equal to 5 is right solution. Next, what is that common difference? So we know the m value means the a plus 2090, a plus 2090 is equal to m. A value 10 by 3, 10 by 3 plus 2090 is equal to 5. So 29d is equal to 5 minus 10 by 3, there is equal to 5 by 3. D is equal to 5 by 3 into 29, 87. So the D value is the 5 by 87. Option 1 is correct answer.